cool summer breeze. If my motor's running right, we might lose control tonight. Got the shape I love to squeeze. Looks like bring me to my knees. Oh please, let it roll tonight.
See, here's the deal, Lunar. Hayden and Jive were saying, I can go faster than you can in my jet, and Hayden saying, I can drive faster than your jet in my hot streak too. This is a grudge match.
It most certainly is, and look at this. Jive's coming back by to tease him one more time.
Now this is a little taunting going on here. If you want to take this back to the days of Monty Python, the French taunt, the French taunter. But this is an airplane that can go how fast? 400 some miles, 500 miles an hour, right?
480.
480. Well, that truck can get to 300 plus miles an hour if it's got enough runway. There's going to be a race, a standing start for Hayden Proffitt, and your guy, Jerry Giant Kirby, he's going to have a flying start. Way ahead, Jerry Kirby, but here comes the hot streak two. Oh! Almost made it. And Jerry is on the radio going, ha ha!
Oh, that's awesome. Well,